Hey.
Hey. Well, I'll sing all of it together.
Go on then.
Hey, Mr. Pirate with your big black hat, sailing over the seas. Hey, Mr. Pirate with your big black hat, are you looking for me? Well, you can't have my treasure. I'm not scared of you. Turn around and off you go. You can't have my treasure.
That is absolutely fantastic. Well done, Sam.
The west wind blows across the day I went to sea. I left on board a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "How we go this way, that way, north or starboard over the deep blue sea. This way, that way, north or starboard over the deep blue sea." We hit to storm, our sails were torn the day I went to sea. I left on board a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "How we go this way, that way, north or starboard over the deep blue sea. This way, that way, north or starboard over the deep blue sea." The first thing was my own love, the day I went to sea. I left on board a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "How we go this way, that way, north or starboard over the deep blue sea. This way, that way, north or starboard over the deep blue sea." The storm ports on starboard over the deep blue sea. This way, that way, ports on starboard over the deep blue sea. We found a hoard of gold on board the day I went to sea. I left on board a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "How we go this way, that way, ports on starboard over the deep blue sea. This way, that way, ports on starboard over the deep blue sea." We weighed and measured all our treasure the day I went to sea. I left on board a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "How we go this way, that way, ports on starboard over the deep blue sea. This way, that way, ports on starboard over the deep blue sea." We sang this song the young day on the day I went to sea. Oh, the pirates like this, oh, the fun, the pirates like fun. How we go this way, that way, ports on starboard over the deep blue sea. This way, that way, ports on starboard, the pirates like for me. The pirates like for me.
Would you like to hear Portside Pirate?
Yeah, I would.
It's a long one.
That's okay.
Once I was young, I had some fun the day I went to sea. I lived aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "We go this way, that way, pop starboard over the blue sea. This way, that way, pop starboard over the blue sea." Boom. Once I sailed Lily to Timbuktu the day I went to sea. I lived aboard a pirate ship and Gat said to me, "We go this way, that way, pop starboard over the blue sea. This way, that way, pop starboard over the blue sea." The west is blue, blue was the coast the day I went to sea. I lived aboard a pirate ship and Gat said to me, "We go this way, that way, pop starboard over the sea. This way, that way, pop starboard over the sea."
Well done, little fella.
Once we had the stuff, well, what's next?
I don't know, but that was very good, little man.
Well, I can't remember the last bit.
That's okay.